Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Joel and welcome back to Kilojoules. And for today, we are doing another unboxing video. So, quick side story, I have been checking out TV boxes for the past weeks because we have a TV in the living area which is not a smart TV. It does not come with the applications that we normally go to for streaming videos, and we have not had an antenna or cable subscription either for years and years now. So I decided to swing by the mall today since I was going to the grocery anyway. So quick reminder to each and every one of us, please stay safe. Do not forget the necessities of going out these days. So wear your face mask, your face shield, and social distancing. Please observe social distancing, of course. And my best practice is to disinfect every single item that I'm bringing into the house. And that includes our new toy that we are unboxing in a few seconds. So today we dropped by the Xiaomi Mi store in the mall. We picked up the Xiaomi Mi Stick TV. I'm not sure if that's correct, but you know what? Why don't I open our package? So, this is the Mi Stick TV, the Xiaomi Mi Stick TV. So, let's take a look at the box really quickly. So, up front, it says Android TV. These are the things that you're getting, plus that cable that you are also getting in the package. It says down here, it comes with Google Assistant. So the wonderful thing about this device is that that button that you see on there, that comes with, or that's for Google Assistant. So you pretty much can just dictate whatever it is that you want to get done. So down here, it says full HD resolution. So unlike the Xiaomi Mi Box S4K, which obviously, as the name suggests, comes with 4K resolution. This box only comes with, or this device can only support up to full HD. So over there you go. So what do you call this? Resolution is 1920 by 1080. So there, and we started. So down here, it indicates, or the box indicates the preloaded applications that come with, of course. So from Netflix to YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Google Play, Disney Plus, Google Play Movies and TV, HBO Max, Spotify, Red Bull TV, which I have no idea what that is because we don't have it out here in the Philippines. Hulu we do know, but we do not have it out here in the Philippines once again. Okay, so that is the box front and center. If we flip it sidewards, the box tells us what's included in the package. So oops, there you go. Where is the camera? There you go. So the Mi TV Stick, of course, which plugs into the TV's HDMI port, the Bluetooth voice remote. So again, not again, we have not said that yet, but so ta-da, the remote connects via Bluetooth. So high strong. And the power adapter for the actual Mi TV Stick, I'm guessing, or to charge the remote. We'll find out in a few. So that's that. It still says Android TV. And by the way, I considered buying this device from online sellers, but I decided ultimately to get it from the mall because of several reasons. First reason is I want to make sure that I get a legitimate device, of course, and not a knockoff. I don't know if there are knockoffs of this, but just to be sure. How you're able to tell if you're getting this from an online seller, how you're able to tell if it's brand new, is this seal right here. This is what I looked at first, checked out first. Oh, I'm sorry, my fingernails are so long. So yes, that seal right there. And down here it says these, so you guys can pause the video if you want to read through it. And on the other side, so magulo. All right, it says Android TV, 3-step setup. So plug the device into the HDMI port of the TV, connect to the internet, and afterwards enjoy streaming videos through those applications, of course. So back here, it simply has this. So it says Android TV, Mi Stick, Mi TV Sticks, Android TV makes it easier to get more from your TV. And I'm not going to read the rest of that, so feel free to pause the video and read through it. And it has Chromecast built in, which is something I've experienced before, I've had before with a Google a Google Chromecast device, which is like, I don't know, 5 years ago. And down there, okay, so it says it's made in China. Okay, let's unbox our new toy. So I think we're supposed to open it down here since the seal is down here. Okay, hang on. Let me pull that open. So once we rip it open, which I'm definitely struggling to do, I'm guessing we actually need scissors, but we'll make this work. Okay, you know what? There you go. One more. Okay, one more pull. Oh, so yes, this seals are there are two seals, left and right. Okay. Anyway, not the seals like animal. All right, there you go. So this is, I've never seen an unboxing video of this, so this is the first time we're doing this. All right, so I'm gonna move this aside. Oops, over there. And when you open the box, I love unboxing new stuff. So this is how it looks like. So over here we have the actual Mi TV Stick. If you guys can see it. All right, there you go. So that's pretty much how it looks like. Where the hell is the camera? There you go. All right. And then of course it comes with the necessary paperwork, which we will read, to be fair, because I do not know a lot about this device. Although I read online that it gets hot quickly. It gets hot, period. I asked the guy earlier from the mall, the salesperson, you know, why that happens, and he simply said, which makes sense, to be fair. He says that, you know, it's connected to a power supply, so ultimately it's really gonna heat up, but it's nothing to be alarmed about. So this is the power brick that comes with. Let's check it out. It says on here, where is the voltage? You know what? Yeah, okay, that's the power brick. And of course we have the power cable, the charging cable, I'm guessing. So whoops, there it is. Hang on. So micro USB, not USB-C, guys, and then the other end of the USB. I do not know what those are called. Not a techie person. And then over here, it's so pretty. All right, so ooh, it has Netflix and Prime Video. Oh, hang on. And of course, please feel free to enjoy me struggling while I'm doing this. Here we go. So this is our Bluetooth remote. So this is the power button. I won't be doing like a review of this just yet. I'm gonna give it more time before I give you guys an honest review of this device. So that's the Google Assistant button over there. This circle right here pretty much goes up, down, left, right, and of course the center or enter button. And I do not know what these buttons are, but you definitely have a quick access buttons for Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, and of course you have your volume up and volume down buttons. And it definitely has the, here you go, that's the microphone of the Bluetooth remote. And at the back you simply have that. Oh, it needs batteries, and we did not get batteries. So let me see if I have batteries at home. So you need ta-da, you need two AAA batteries. There you go. Okay, so that's the remote, and that's pretty much what's inside. But allow me to go through the documents really quickly. I want to find out memory and onboard storage, because I was told it comes with 8 gigabytes of storage and 1 gigabyte of memory, but I need to confirm that, of course. All right, I did not know we would need batteries, but I hope we have batteries at home. Oh, okay, so continuing our recording, my phone died. It stopped working because it was getting too hot to work. So anyway, I was able to find, I'm so sorry, please excuse my messy table. This is how messy unboxings can be. So I just looked the information up online. Let me share with you our specs, or our Xiaomi Mi TV Sticks specs. So 1 gigabyte of RAM, 8 gigabytes of onboard storage. It comes with a quad-core Cortex A53 processor with Mali 450 GPU. So like I said earlier, resolution is 1080p, so full HD. The remote comes with 4.2 Bluetooth 4.2, so not Bluetooth 5.0, which is not so bad, but not so good either. But we'll see how that works out. It also comes with Google Assistant, Bluetooth remote with voice assistant key, like what we said earlier. It supports. It has support for Dolby Audio and DTS surround sound, dual band Wi-Fi, and one HDMI and one micro USB ports. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I see a lot of so's. This is our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. I will start using it in our TVs, and I will circle back to you guys after a month maybe to give you guys an honest full review of this device. All right, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not and I stuttered again, and if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel, because I am filming a lot of unboxing videos for you guys, including how I set up my workstation, work desk at home, and all sorts of fun stuff. So thank you so much guys for watching. Once again, this is Joel from Killer Joel's. Thank you for watching. I said that already. Peace out. And I'm not supposed to say that because I'm an adult. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.